Bahubali, the beginning movie summary in English. Let's begin. A woman emerges from a cave underneath a mountain, carrying an infant. While trying to cross a raging river, she is swept away by the current. Facing imminent death, she holds the baby aloft and prays to Lord Shiva to spare the baby, Mahendra Bahubali, for the sake of Mahishmati kingdom. The child is saved by the people of Amburi tribe, and their chieftain's wife Sanga adopts him, naming him Siva. Siva grows up to be an ambitious and mischievous child, obsessed with ascending the mountain despite his mother's pleas, but fails every time. As a young man, he shows superhuman strength while lifting a lingam of Lord Shiva and placing it at the foot of the mountain. As he does so, a mask falls from above. Realizing it belongs to a woman, Siva is determined to find its owner, and finally succeeds in climbing the mountain. Upon reaching the top, he encounters Avantika, to whom the mask belongs, and follows her. He learns that she is a member of a resistance group dedicated to overthrowing the tyrannical king Bhallal Deva of Mahishmati, and rescuing the captive princess Devsena. Siva, smitten with Avantika, decides to pledge himself to her cause and departs for Mahishmati. Infiltrating the royal palace disguised as a guard, he distracts Bhallal Deva and rescues Devsena. Bhallal Deva sends his son Bhadra and his loyal slave and General Kattappa to pursue Siva. In the ensuing fight, Siva beheads Bhadra as the Amburi T-R-1BILS and the resistance members arrive at the scene. Kattappa, upon seeing Siva's face, falls into submission and proclaims him Bahubali. Kattappa then reveals to Siva that he is Mahendra Bahubali, son of Amrendra Bahubali, the famous warrior prince of Mahishmati, and the woman who saved him was Queen Sivgami, his grandmother. Amrendra Bahubali was the orphan son of King Vikramdeva. After the king's demise, Sivgami, his younger brother Bijal Deva's wife, was appointed regent and decided to raise Bahubali along with her son Bhallal Deva, in order to select the next king. While the two showed immense promise, Bhallal Deva retained the power-hungry nature of his father while Bahubali was beloved by the people. When Mahishmati was threatened by the Kalkeya tribe and its chief Inkoshi, it was decided that whoever defeats the tribe would be crowned. Sivgami however demanded that Inkoshi be captured alive after he delivered an insult. Bhallal Deva was ruthless and killed Kalakeyas and villagers indiscriminately, killing Inkoshi as well, while Bahubali used innovative tactics, raised the morale of soldiers, and saved the villagers. In light of this, Bahubali was made heir apparent by Sivgami while Bhallal Deva was chosen as his commander. Siva and his adoptive parents, upon hearing this tale, wished to meet Bahubali. A dejected Kattappa explains that Bahubali was killed by a traitor, and reveals himself to be that traitor.